So I got a pretty big package from Indian today. I went ahead and bought kind of a lot of stuff, like apparel and, shirts, sweaters, things like that for myself because it is the month of May next month, and that is my month because for one, it's Mother's Day, and then it's also my birthday in May. So these are kind of like those gifts combined in one. It's actually also, I am scheduled, I was going to have a graduation ceremony for my city college that I am finally finishing up at. Myself a bunch of stuff. Happy Mother's Day, birthday, graduation to me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to film a different kind of video for you. I purchased some things online from Indian Motorcycle, and when my package arrived, I posted it on my IG stories if you guys wanted me to go ahead and film me opening them. And surprisingly, about 80% of you guys did want to watch this, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and open up the stuff that I received. I haven't opened them yet. I did open one thing. I'll show you guys that I opened. But I actually ordered this stuff a while ago, so I kind of forgot what I ordered. So I'm excited to open them up. I've been really anxious, so here we go. So the first thing that I want to show you guys, and that's because I've already opened this. This is the only thing I've opened so far. And it is a Indian Motorcycle shirt for children. I actually got 3 of these. They're for my 3 kids. I plan on doing a photo shoot with my kids for Mother's Day. So that's why I actually went ahead and opened this right away, because I wanted to make sure it was going to be a good fit. So yeah, I got 2 of these in blue, and I got a white one as well. I'm really excited for these photos. I usually try to take some photos for Mother's Day. And I felt like it was kind of cool that Indian came out with some shirts for kiddos. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab something and see what it is. All right, okay, so this is an Indian shirt, obviously. I really like this logo. This is like a really metallic red. It's a lot more intense in person than it was online, to be honest. I believe this is a women's shirt. I did order some, yeah, this is a women's black rock tee. I did order some men's shirts, so you'll see those. I like to wear men's clothes, guys. So there's that one. This next thing is a long sleeve checkered tee. Okay, this is a men's shirt. I think I got this in a small because it's a men's. I love checkered, so this is really cool, and it's long sleeve. I know some people will ride in short sleeve, which is cool, but for me, I have to wear long sleeves because I hate the tan line that I get when I'm riding in short sleeves. So I really like that this is long sleeve. And yeah, again, this is in the men's section, so it's actually a men's shirt, but I think I can pull this off. Next thing is, I cannot tell what this is. I don't remember. Oh, this is the women's FTR shirt. I had to get an FTR shirt because I have an FTR. Okay, so it's pretty simple in the front. It's just the Indian, it's a V-neck with like the little Indian logo here in the front. I got all of my shirts, the women's, in a medium, because these shirts, I own a couple, actually I own a lot of Indian shirts, and they do tend to shrink. So I always get a medium, and then once I wash it for the first time, it'll fit like a small. The next thing, okay, this is what I'm most excited about. This is like the reason why I went online. For those of you who watched my experience video for my photo shoot, you know that Indian gave me a vest to wear for that photo shoot, and I actually got to keep that vest, and it's like my favorite vest ever. I love that thing. I wear it even when I'm not riding. And so when I got that email for the sale, I noticed that they had that vest and a jacket. And so that's what led me on to the website to begin with, was this jacket, because it's basically my vest in a jacket form, and I just had to have it. I love jeans. I don't know, I might keep it like this. I'm tempted to put a patch like on the back of my vest. Maybe I'll do that, and then I'll leave this one blank. But this is a really cool jacket, you guys. This is the women's black logo. Don't remember what this is, but we will see. This is cute. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm not showing you guys. Okay, so this has a cute little like keyhole detail right here in the front. That is so stinking cute. And then of course the Indian in the back. So like, I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of like, that's not real riding gear, but honestly, like I always wear obviously, you know, jackets and whatnot. And I have a lot of riding jackets, Indian and not Indian, but I like to wear cute shirts underneath or like something that, you know, when I take my jacket off, if I go to like a riding event, I obviously want to wear Indian, you guys. Like everyone who rides Harley always has, they're always like Harley'd up with their clothing. And when I'm not on my bike, I want people to know that I ride an Indian. So that's why I get a lot of their shirts. This is a men's, okay, I remember the shirt. This is a men's Wrecking Crew tee. Again, another men's shirt. They did offer this style in like a female fitted one. It was a little different and I just preferred the men's style. You guys, I like men's clothing a lot. I actually get a lot of it from my daughter who always makes fun of me. She's like, you wear boy clothes, but whatever. I think I liked this detail on the sleeve more than the one on the females. So I went ahead and just got the men's in a small. This is really cool. I love this. This actually goes with that sweater. It's that same style that I own. So that'd be kind of cool. I can wear this underneath that sweater and when it gets hot, I can just take it off. Yeah, it'll be cool. I love this style. I'm excited for this one. Okay, this is a tank top. I probably won't really ever wear this while I'm riding. This is more of like it's summer and I just kind of want to, you know, show off the fact that I have an Indian or whatever. This looks kind of big. Well, anyways, how cute. So yeah, this is actually a lot thinner than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little more heavy duty. But still, it's really flowy. You can tell this is going to feel really good in the summer. It gets really hot here in Fresno, like over 100 degrees during the summer. So this will come in handy. I know it's black, but I'm always in black, so it doesn't matter. Okay, this is a sweater. I know it's freaking about to be spring and summer right now, but I had to get it. I just loved it. It's black. It's a zip up. I live in hoodies. I live in black, and I love Indian motorcycles. So, this is the front. This is a women's. I know I almost got a men's one, but I went ahead and opted out and got the women's. I'm actually kind of glad I did because I think the men's, theirs tend to be too long, and it just looks awkward. That's the back. It's really simple, just a simple black zip up. I'm excited for this one too. Ooh, I wonder if there's, you guys, there's zips up. For those of us who ride, know how important this is. So kudos to Indian for thinking about the little details like that, because we need that. I don't want my phone flying out of my pocket while I'm riding, because that'll suck. Cute. See, I forgot what I ordered. It's been a while. This is a long sleeve. This is really cute, you guys. Oh, I didn't know there's, I don't know if I like that. Well, I didn't know there were studs in the back, but this is the front. It has like a little tie up. That's kind of cute. I'd probably untie it a little bit, make it like, you know, a little Indian logo. And then the back has the logo. I'm not too impressed with the studs. Honestly, I think I would like them more if they were not gold, but it's whatever. I mean, yeah. There's another shirt, it looks like. A women's core logo red tee. This is really a pretty color. I love red. Here, this is cute. This is like an everyday like t-shirt. I would totally rock this underneath one of my jackets if I go to like an event. And then here's the back, of course. It shows Indian. Or this is a men's, oh yeah, this is a short sleeve, like a men's tank top. I own one of these already and it's pretty big, it's a medium. I like okay, so I use that tank top always to wash my bike. So I think that's what I thought when I got this one, was like I can use another one. Just because I don't like sleeves, because they end up getting wet while I'm washing it, and then I get cold or whatnot, so, and they get in the way, so it's best to do it without any sleeves. This one, this is pretty cool. Again, it's big, but I like them oversized. I think that's it for the clothes. That's these two items. I hope I didn't forget anything in here. Kind of a mess. I know it's a mess in my garage still. I'm hoping to start painting by next weekend. There's a lot of stuff over on this side that you guys can't see that we've been working on. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I got all of the clothing. So So the next thing I am super excited about, for those of you who don't know, I'm a student. Actually I'm just finishing up my AS degree this semester, and I'm gonna start at State. So I've been using a Spider-Man backpack for the last couple of years. It's my favorite backpack, but I wanted something a little more like sleek and black, not too childish, I guess. So I was really excited when I saw that they came out with a backpack, and it's black, it's simple, little Indian logo. I am so excited. So like when I do like anything for like videos or whatnot where I need to bring a lot of stuff with me, like my GoPro or like, you know, whatever, I plan to kind of stuff it all in here. And then of course I can also use it for school. I'm so excited for this. Now the last thing I got is this random thing that I saw right before I was checking out. And it's probably, you guys will see it because I'm gonna go ahead and post or hang it on the back of my wall. But I was like, oh my, and I saw a couple of shirts with this, but they were men's shirt. I almost got them, but I didn't. I might go back and get it because you guys will see. Ta-da! You guys, it is not only Indian, but it's a pinup. She is a brunette, black-haired like me, and there's a freaking star in the background. Like, is that not me or what? When I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I had to get it. Oh, it's so cute. So that's all, it was a lot, but that's everything that I got. I hope you guys liked watching this video. I know it's probably kind of different. It might be boring for some of you, but that's fine. I like watching videos. I like seeing what people get, especially when it's like clothing that I want, like Indian stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to go check out their website, I'm pretty sure that sale is going on until the end of this month, April. I think it's like kind of like the more you spend, the more you save type of deal. So you kind of want to take advantage of it because, again, it's riding season. Even if it's like, like I said, for shirts, obviously, I mean, some of you do ride in shirts, that's fine. I don't. I like to wear some kind of protection. But I do like to have like an Indian shirt underneath because if I'm walking around, either at a car show, bike shows, or whatever, I kind of like to show off that, you know, I own an Indian, or I'm proud to be an Indian owner. So I like to wear it. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.